Today we'll create magic with leftover food. Wow, magic with food! I'm so hungry! Groove, magic? Yes, Balu, let's go! Simple things can special. Different class. Go. Time for the secret spices.
A little spice makes everything better.
Motu, that's too much.
Trust me.
Here we go. Wow, it's sizzling.
Wow, this smells amazing. Wonderful.
Wow, this looks amazing.
Na lukamanta.
Motu, are you okay?
Too spicy for him.
Chili is dangerous.
Never waste food. Creativity makes it special. Never waste food. Creativity makes it special.
This looks so delicious. Wow, I can't wait to try it.
It smells wonderful.
So good as me level.
Simple food can create beautiful memories.